What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video. It's Dipon from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. #1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Today, we're checking out ReelCraft, the generative AI platform that lets you create animated videos using simple text. Imagine having the power to transform a simple description into a stunning animated video. Well, no need to imagine because that's ReelCraft's bread and butter. This generative AI platform takes plain text and creates animated videos, chock full of unique characters, scenes, voiceovers, and background scores. To get started, just describe your story in a few words. This part doesn't have to be super detailed. You'll be able to customize the different video features to fine-tune your creative direction. The first thing you can customize are the captions. You'll be able to overlay titles or text. From there, you can upload music, choose the video ratio, and add a voiceover. Feel free to choose a custom voice or upload your own. If you're ready to hop on this lifetime deal, just click that Buy Now button to grab ReelCraft today. Alright, lights, camera, AI. You can even select the type of story you want to tell. Choose anything from concept, explanation, historical to travel, blogs, poems, wishes, quotes, or thoughts. And then choose the animation style. You've got loads of options, including anime, hyper-realistic, or something more like Disney. After you click Create and confirm the prompt, you'll get a video like this. If there's something you don't like, just hop into the Storyboard tab and update the video. You can go scene by scene, edit the prompt, change the voiceover, or swap out the backing track. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Just click Buy Now to get lifetime access to ReelCraft today.